Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the serpentine belt or the fan belt on Mercedes C220 CDI W204 model. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the front of the engine. It's located underneath this air intake hose. So first, in order to get to the serpentine belt, we need to remove the air intake hose. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove this plastic cover that covers the serpentine belt, and after we remove it, we have access to the serpentine belt. And now we can see we have access to the serpentine belt. That's the serpentine belt along with all the pulleys. The tensioner is right in the middle. That's the alternator right there. And the tensioner is just this one. This is the tensioner, and this is where we're going to be using the tensioner to turn it anti-clockwise in order to release the tension. This is the socket that I'm using to move the tensioner anti-clockwise. I'm going to use a long ratchet because it's much easier to bring the tensioner anti-clockwise and loosen the belt. And now that I've turned the tensioner, I can remove the belt. And now the belt is removed from the pulley. Now we can take out the serpentine belt. I'm not going to take out the serpentine belt completely. If you want to take out the serpentine belt, there is a metal panel that you also need to remove in order to remove the serpentine belt on the bottom. I'll show you what I'm talking about, what you need to remove. You need to remove this this metal plate. It's held by two bolts on each side. One of the bolts is right there, and the other one is on the other side, right there. After removing those two bolts, you can take out this metal plate and remove the belt completely. Next, I'll show you in the service manual the routing of the serpentine belt, so that when you replace it, you know how the serpentine belt will go. And now I'm going to put back the serpentine belt. I'm following the routing on the diagram, and the last pulley that I'm gonna put it around is the tensioner pulley. When I put it around all the pulleys, then I'm going to use the ratchet to turn the tensioner anti-clockwise again, so that I can put the belt on the tensioner pulley. And that's the belt on around all the pulleys, so that means we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.